In this video, I want to show you how to convert decimal degree coordinates to UTM coordinates in ArcGIS. For example, I have these point features in ArcGIS, and if I right click and open the attributes table, I can see the latitude and longitude in decimal degree for each of the points. If, however, I want to convert it to UTM, that is, I want to convert these coordinates to meter, how do I do that? There are about two basic steps you need to take to achieve this. The first one is that you need to project this very layer. So let's go and do that. So the first thing is to project, and to project, come to Arc Toolbox, then come to Data Management Tool, then scroll down and come to Projection and Transformation, then come to Project, double click to open Project. When it opens, input data set, click here and put in your layer you want to project, then output data set. Let's save it here as town projected. Then click on save. Then the coordinate system you want to use, click here to select your coordinate system. This data belongs to WGS 1984 UTM zone 32. I'll select it and click on OK. Then click on OK. This will project these features to projected coordinate system, after which we'll be able to calculate the coordinates or convert the coordinates to UTM coordinate system. Yes, the conversion or the projection is done. Now you need to bring in the projected layer. To do that, click on Add Data and navigate to that very folder. So here is it, town projected. I'll select it and click on Add. Yes, I've added the projected layer. Now, to convert the coordinates from decimal degree to UTM, this is how you go about it. Right click the layer and open the attributes table. You will see that we have the same information. Now we need to add two more fields to calculate the easting and northing. So click on these table options and click on Add Field. Let's just name this easting, and the type, let's make it double and click on OK. That field has been added. Then we are adding the second field, which is the northing. Click here and click on Add Field. This time around, name it northing. Then the type will be double as well and click on OK. That field also has been added. So now to calculate, this latitude is the northing, while this longitude is the easting. So to calculate the easting, which is the longitude, right click here and come to Calculate Geometry. Click Yes. Then here we are calculating for X coordinate, which refers to the easting, and we are using the coordinate system of the data source, which is zone 32 north. Then here is where you select the units, and the unit we want it to be in meter. So click on OK. Click Yes. Automatically it will calculate for the rest. You can see it has calculated the easting, which is equivalent to longitude in meter. This is UTM. It has calculated it. Then to calculate for the northing, right click here and click on Calculate Geometry. Click Yes. Then here, this time around, we are selecting Y coordinates, and then our unit is a meter. Click on OK and click on Yes. It will calculate for the northing. You can see that this is the latitude in decimal degree, and this is it here as northing, and this is the longitude in decimal degree, and this is it here as easting in meter. So this is how to convert decimal degree to UTM in ArcGIS. So from here, you can now copy everything by selecting all. You can just highlight the first one and move to the last one. Hold your shift key and click on it. Then you can now right click and copy the selected. Then open Excel, right click and paste. So you can see it here. You can see it here. We have the latitude, which is equivalent to our northern, and we have the longitude, which is equivalent to our eastern. So this is how to convert decimal degree coordinates to UTM coordinates in ArcGIS and copy it to Excel. Thank you for watching.